Hello guys, today I'll show you how to create a quick presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint applications. So it is very simple. You have to open a Microsoft PowerPoint. Let me open Microsoft PowerPoint. POWER Power POINT PowerPoint. So you can use any versions of the Microsoft PowerPoint. In this cases, I am using Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So let me maximize it. So for creating the quick applications, I have to use different slides. So these cases I'll be using two slides, that is title slides and then blank slides. So if you want to add a slide, so you have to go, it is very simple, you have to go to the home tab, new slides, and take this title slide. So let me take the title slide, and then in this slide number 1 I'll be preparing some of the quick interfaces, like the beginning interfaces. So let me write here quick, QUIZ, quick, and then topic. And topic name, you can give any of the topic as per your choice. This cases I have selected computer fundamentals topic. Let me color this font by giving the red color and then changing the font style as agency FV. Maximize it, give here bold, and then even here I will change the color bold, agency FV, bold, little bit bigger. That the font color I'll give as green color. So the topic will be agency FV, bold, maximize it. Okay, this is ready now. So I want to make it more attractive. I'll be adding here a clip art. Insert, go to the clip art. I'll place here some of the clip art, computer clip art. You can type here COMPUTER, computer clip art. So I'll click on the go options. I'll take this one picture here and I'll place it here, this picture. I can even take more picture of computer out here, so you can even put as per your choice. There is a different pictures you will be getting from here. So let me make it more attractive by giving the animations in this later quick. So I'll click on here, I'll go to the animation tab. So after going in the animation, I'll go to the add animations. From here I can give here animation as zoom. So if I click on zoom, see my quick will become as zooming. Okay, let me check by going to the slides here, slides icon. I'll click on this clip art and I'll go to the slides. So if I click on this, quick option is coming. So what happened here, if I click on this quick, zoom animation is now affecting. So I want to make this zoom should become little bit slowly. So how do I make that one? I'll go to the animations, yes, and I'll go to the animation pan. From animation pan I'll click on this, I'll go with the timing. So if I click on timing, you will be seeing here a delay, I mean durations. You can go to the 5 second, it's enough, it's coming very slow. So start means without click, I'll give with previous. So if I click on this, so automatically when I click on this slide show button, so see my quiz is coming without clicking the mouse. So it's coming as per the needing, as per your needs. I have given a timing as slow 5 second, so it is coming accordingly like that. So like this case, I will design for the topic computer fundamentals text also by giving the animation. So I'll go to the animation tab. See, you have to be very careful when you not click any of the text, the animation option will be get visible out here. So you have to click inside here, and then only the animations option will be enabled. So I'll go to the add animation tab. From here I'll go to the bounce option. See, if I click on bounce, so what happened, the text will come as bouncing, so it looks more good. So what I'll do here, after this I'll go to the animation pan. I want to make it little bit slower bouncing. So after clicking on the animation pan, the animation panel will be appearing here. I'll click on this drop down. So I'll click here as start with previous, means without clicking the mouse I can bounce my text. So I'll go to the timing. So after going in the timing, I'll give this one also little bit 3 seconds slow. Okay, and then I'll give here okay. So what happened, I'll check it again by pressing on this slideshow button. So see here, quiz, topic is computer fundamental. So it is coming very nicely, it looks more good also. So what happened, it looks more attractive. The second slides I'll be designing here a question slide. The question slide I'll be designing here has four options. Out of four options, one is the correct answer and the remaining three is the wrong answer. So let me give an example, one question here. Let's say who is known as the father of a computer. Okay, this is my question. So the answer will be, there will be four options of this answer. Let me delete with this by pressing the delete button. So this is my question. Let me design the font of this question. So I'll go to the font agency FV, and then I'll give here green color, bold. This is my question, who is known as the father of a computer. So the answer will be like there will be four possible options. One is I'll make it by going to the insert word art. Let me bring the word art and then type the answer. Answer A, that is option A, Charles Babbage. I'll reduce the size. I'll reduce the size of this. I'll go to the home tab and I'll make it the size small. So yes, this is option A. I want to make it option B. What I'll do here, I'll press the control. After pressing the control button from the keyboard, I'll just copy this one here. This is option B. I'll rename it and I'll write here option B. I just copy the simple option A and then I copy it down here and then I just rename option B as William Smith. You can even do Control C and Control C is the copy and then Control V is for the paste. You can do even this also, but sorry, this option is not working out here. So you can even try from your side. That is not a difficulty parts. Control C is for the copy and Control V is for the paste. Let me go with the Control Z. Yes, William Smith, and drag and control and drag this one. Another options, rename it as William Smith and then John Smith. This is option C. Let me make it some arrangement out here and then control and drag option D, James Gosling. James Gosling. So this is option D. So what happened after I click all this? So there should when the user will click here Charles Babbage as an options A, Charles Babbage is the correct answer. So it should pop out Charles Babbage, correct answer. So similarly for the wrong answer also, one slide should be there which can be pop out as wrong answer. So I will design here two slides. One is wrong slides and then one is correct slides. So let me design with the correct slides now. Go by going to the home tab, new slides, blank slide, and then I'll give here some design, insert, shapes. Let me take this one as a wrong slides or correct slides. I'll go to the format, I'll go to the shape fill, I'll give here green color, I'll go to the animations, add animations, random bars. So let me go with the timing, start with previous timing. I'll give here very slow. Okay, so it will come as like this. So I'll write here one text as correct answer. So I'll go to the insert again, from the text group I'll take here word art and then here I'll write here correct answer, CORRECT, correct answer. So let me color this font as black. So I'll go to the home, from the font group I'll select here black color. So here I'll give here agency FV as font style. So this is my correct answer. Whenever I'll check this one by playing here. So this is my correct answer. Whenever a user click on correct answer, these slides will be pop out. Okay, let me check. Yes, this is fine. And then similarly I'll go and then design another slide as wrong slides. Go to the home tab and then from home tab new slides and then click blank slide, and here also I'll design the shapes, little bit design by taking this shapes. This is wrong, so I'll go and give here as red color. I'll put here animations, go to the animations, I'll apply the animations, so random bars, and from the animation pan here, if the animation pan doesn't appears here, click here, right click here, and then it will appear. Go to the timing, start with previous options, and after that go to the timing. You'll see timing here. Let me do the timing as very slow, 5 seconds, and then okay. So see, it is okay now. So let me type here one more text from the insert word art. Let me go with the wrong answer. WRONG wrong. ANSWER. It's a wrong answer. So this is for the wrong answer. So again, one more thing, whenever the users click on the wrong answer, there should be one option called try again also, so that the user can even try one more time. So let me put that one option also by going in the insert tab, word art. Let me go with the try again options. Try again, TRY, try AGAIN, again try again. So I'll give here one more option called try again. So yes, this is try again options. I'll make it little bit small, and font color I'll change. Go to the home, font, and then font style as agency. Okay, try again. So whenever users click on this try again, he or she should get one more chance to try these questions. So let me check my interfaces from the beginning. I'll click on the number one slide. After clicking on number one slide, I'll go to the slide show. So click on this slideshow option. Yes, my animations is working perfectly. Yes, even this quiz also coming as per the requirements. So I'll go to the second options. Yes, this is also fine. I'll go to the third option, correct answer. Yes, I want like this animation, and then for the wrong answer also I want like this. Yes, exactly fine. So what I'll do now here, so these cases, whenever a users click on this Charles Babbage options, so it should show me correct answer. So how to make that one, we have to take care of hyperlink here little bit. So how to do that one, so it's very simple. Click on this box here in this text here. So once I click here this line, the dotted line, you have to click on the dotted line and it makes it straight. Go to the insert options, and from the links group click on hyperlinks. After clicking on the hyperlinks, you have to go to the plus in this document, and then this so option A is correct answer, so I'll be linking with the slide 3, that is correct answer. You can see in the slide preview, this is correct answer. You can click on OK. Similarly for this also, click on the text, dotted line, make it straight, insert, go to the links group, and then click on hyperlink, place in this document. Slide number 4 is the wrong answer, click on this. Even here also similar options, click on the insert options, hyperlink, slide 4, okay. Even this also, click on the hyperlinks, slide 4, okay, fine. This is fine. Let me check from the beginning now. I'll click on slide number 1, how my interfaces will look. Yes, this is fine, pretty fine. So I click again, I'll go to the next slide. This is my question slide. Who is known as the father of a computer? This cases, what happens, Charles Babbage is the right answer, so I click here correct answer. This is fine. But when I click on the William Smith, this should show me wrong answer. Yes, this is also fine. But when I click here try again, what happened, it is not working. So let me work on that options also. So I'll go to the slide number 4. I'll click on the slide number 4. I'll click on this try again try again text. So after clicking on this, I'll click on the line, I'll go to the insert, hyperlink, I'll link with this, place in this document, I'll link with this question. So I'll click OK. After that, let me check from the beginning how my quiz presentations looks like. So click on this. Yes, this is fine. Click again. Who is known as the father of a computer? William Smith. It is wrong, totally wrong. So what happened? Again I can try. So click on try again. James Gosling, correct answer. How come the James Gosling is having correct answer? This is wrong way, redirecting to the wrong way. So let me check with this. I'll go to the James Gosling. So click on this. I'll go to the hyperlink. Let me modify this one. Slide 4 is wrong. Yes, it should not go there. So let me check from the beginning again. So slideshow. Yes, very fine. This is my second option. William Smith, wrong answer. Try again. James Gosling, wrong answer. Try again. John Smith, wrong answer. Try again. Charles Babbage is the correct answer. Yes, this is fine now. This is fine. This is fine. Hope so you understand, guys. Please do subscribe my channel, and then if you like it or dislike it, please comment below, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.